Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra Mehes, International Master Educator of Crystal Nails, and I also work in a beauty salon as a nail technician. So I'm here to help you to achieve the best quality of your salon work by representing Crystal Nails products for you. Now I'd like to show you our clear builder gels. These are my favorite clear builder gels: the Cool Gel, the Extreme Clear, and the Titanium Gel. All of them is a really good quality clear builder gel. I'll show you one by one. Cool Gel is an absolutely transparent gel. Extra Clear has got a slightly purple shade in the pot, but of course it's not visible when you use them. And Titanium has got a slight bluish color on the pot. So the consistency of these gels are completely different. So for example, for beginners, I would recommend Titanium Gel because this has a medium consistency and it's a really good self-leveling type gel. But when you work with titanium, you see that the gel helps you to create the C-curve, and when it's done, the C-curve is there. It's not moving to the side, so it's much more easier to work with this gel as a beginner. Extreme Clear Gel is also a medium thick consistency gel. This is self-leveling type of gel too, and as this is the strongest and hardest Crystal Nails gel, I really like to use it because the pinching is amazing with this gel. So I recommend this gel for competitors, for example, or for those nail techs in the beauty salon who usually do really long type of nails, because longer nails requires a really good pinching, and if you use the Extreme Clear Gel, the pinching is really easy and you can pinch this type of gel the best. Cool Gel is also a medium consistency gel. It's a little bit softer than the Extreme Clear. This gel is a really special one. As the name says, it's Cool Gel. During the curing, this gel is not going to be really hot, so the heat spike is absolutely minimum with the Cool Gel. So I recommend to use this gel during the summer when everything is really hot and the heat spike can cause a lot of pain to our clients. So Cool Gel is perfect for that, but it's also a really good gel for pinching, and I think it's really good flexible type of gel. So it's suitable for those clients who has that type of work when they use their hand. So it's a really flexible gel too. When you use these gels, it's recommended to use the base gels underneath. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but it's good to know that on its own, all of the gels can have a good adhesion to the nail plate too without the base gel. But if you have a client with a problematic nail, it's really good to use the base gels, because with the base gel and the clear gels, the product is not going to lift at all. Curing qualities are the same with these gels, so all of them is curing 2 to 3 minutes in the UV lamp and 1 to 2 minutes in the LED lamp. I use all of them in my salon work, but I always decide depending on the process I do. I use the titanium gel when I just want to build some kind of base one color nail, when it doesn't matter if it's clear or cover pink, because when I apply colors, I usually use the titanium gel because the self-leveling is helping me a lot, and how it holds the C curve I made with it. It's a really good and quick way to create that type of nail. So I just file it and apply royal gel or gel polish to the top to have a nice color. So I use titanium for this one. You can pinch titanium as well, but not as much as you can pinch the cool or the extreme clear gel. So when I use the extreme clear, it's only when I do long extreme nails or when I compete. I really like this gel. I think this is the best for pinching, but it will give you a little hard time when it comes to curing, because it is really hot during the curing. So the heat spike with this gel is it's quite strong, but I have a good technique to avoid the pain. When I use this gel, I put the hand into the UV lamp only for 3 to 5 seconds, and then I ask my client to take it out, completely out from the lamp. She leaves her hand for 10 seconds out the lamp, and after that, when she put it back another 3 to 5 seconds, this gel is ready for pinching. So it's approximately 10 seconds all together, and after 10 seconds this is the perfect time for pinching. And with that staged curing, you can avoid all the heat spikes with the extreme clear gel, and the pinching will be amazing. When I use the cool gel, it's for those clients who has got a thinner type of nail plates, and when the adhesion it's not perfect. So when somebody has got adhesion problems or lifting problems, I always use the cool gel because it's much more flexible than the other gels, and also because there is no heat spike when I use this gel. It's really good for the thin nail plate, for the clients who has got thinner nail plate. So this is how I choose between these products. So let's see how it goes when I work with them. So I'm gonna use the Extreme Clear Gel to create a longer square type of nail. I use my Extreme Gel brush. I take out some product. I apply it thinly to the natural nail where I previously used the base gel. And after that, I take out more, and I'm going to create the free edge of this nail. Okay, now I put it into the UV lamp. Okay, after 10 seconds, I'm going to use my pinching tweezers, and I will pinch the nail. When it's done, to hold this shape, it's recommended to use the C-curve holder tool. So I put it on. I check it from every angle. And after that, we will put it back to the UV lamp for a minute. Okay, I'm going to do a shorter square nail using the cool gel. The reason why I decided like this is that I can't pinch the cool gel as much as I can pinch the Extreme Clear. It's really good to pinch the cool gel too, but for longer nails I always use Extreme Clear, and the cool gel is a good product to use when you do some shorter version, or also on the clients who has got really thin and sensitive nail plate. Okay, there we go. It goes to the lamp now. Pinching time for cool gel is also 10-15 seconds. As this gel cures in a lower temperature, it doesn't give any heat spike to my model. So with the pinching tweezer, I pinch this base layer also over the side corners and all along the free edge. When I pinch the base, I usually press the form a little bit tighter. In this way, as the base layer sticks to the form, it will help you to get even better shape. And then I put on the seeker holder and it goes back to the lamp for a minute. So now I'm going to do a one color overlay nail with titanium gel. I applied a beige gel previously, and with the titanium gel I'm going to create the free edge of the nail. It's going to be just a simple salon type of nail, what I do regularly in my salon work. Most of my clients like this shape, and titanium gel is really good for this job as its consistency is medium, and it has really good self-leveling quality. It's really good to use. I do this type of nail quite fast with the titanium. The whole series only takes an hour and a half, and this is because the consistency of this gel helps. It's self-leveling, and when I create the C-curve with this gel, it's not moving at all, so it helps me a lot. So I think this is one of the best solutions for that one color overlay. The other solution could be the cool gel too, as cool gel is not getting hot in the UV lamp, so especially when it's summer, for the clients it's a really good surprise that they do not need to take out their hands from the UV lamp. Okay, I just pinched the titanium gel after 20 to 25 seconds because this gel has got a little bit longer curing time when it comes to pinching, and we just put it back for another 30 seconds, and after that, only with one more layer, I will create the C-curve of this nail, and then it's ready for filing and ready for the color application. So let's finish this nail, what I just built with titanium gel, with Royal Gel. It's the R95 color, and I apply it 2 thin layer with my Nero Merlot 1 brush, and I have the one color overlay in 1.5 hours. After 1 minute in the lamp, we can apply the second layer, and if it's necessary, if you want to get even better shine, what Royal Gel has originally, you can apply the Extreme Top Shine or Top Seal or Top Seal Light to the top of the Royal Gel.